Working on this Audi A1. It's a 1.6 diesel. Very common for them. As you can see, the DPF line engine management, all that's on. We'll do a regen on it and hopefully reset the sensors, and this should do it. So a regen has been activating. You see it's smoking quite heavily because it's blocked up, but that's the result you get for doing a lot of internal. That's finished. I've taken the car off. If I turn key, turn it on, all that should go. Nothing should come back, and I'm just going to do the full scan on it now. I'll clear the fault within the engine. So if I just come out of that, actually. So the trouble code is this here. So if I clear it, okay, and then come out and then go back onto it again. Should be 0. There we are. And then if I turn the car on, yeah, everything's fine.